Now, we should have a session dedicated to innovative projects, technological innovation to solve the coronavirus situation. We've got an Italian project, and Francesca should already be on the line. OpenBreath is an open source project that was launched a few weeks ago exactly to help during this emergency situation. This project was launched with the aim of producing a lung ventilator that can work as well as the other ventilators on the market today. So the aim is creating a product with the same content and same reliability of the product you can find in the market today in order to democratize healthcare access and to tackle emergencies. So in terms of intensive care units, we have more and more assistance for infections, coronavirus infections, also in developing countries, where of course these structures are lacking, even worse than us in terms of ventilators for assisted breathing and sanitary supports in general. But let me talk about the product, which is the beating heart of our project. The target we want to reach is to ensure full operativity. This is why we're developing functions that are available in the normal commercial ventilators. Our ventilator is designed in order to be controlled under pressure, in terms of pressure control, but also in terms of volume, offering mechanical and assisted ventilation. We're also studying hybrid solutions in order to help healthcare professionals supporting the patients during the acute phase of the illness, but also afterwards when the illness is almost being solved. Then we focused on safety of the device, of course. So since the very beginning of planning and designing, we focused on fail-safe design in order to make crucial elements redundant in the machine in order to ensure more safety, so the machine is safe. And then, of course, the prototype will be tested from different points of view in order to guarantee safety performance. Another interesting feature is the remote dashboard. We're implementing a dashboard right now that is capable of collecting data from several machines on the same tablet, for instance, in order for the healthcare professional to check several patients at the same time, but also to do it from a distance, which is very important right now, of course. The whole product was developed based on some main guidelines, let's say safety, functionality, low cost, and scalability. Here you can briefly see the status of the project. I don't want to bore you with percentages, but the main information here is that the first prototype was assembled, and exactly with relation to this, I'd like to show you the first video. It's coming. Yes, that's good. There's a very short time lapse by Gabri, who put it together and did it while assembling the prototype. We can launch the second video. This video, this device, is a pressure control test. In this video, you can see how the device is fail safe because just one arm is working, is pushing. And this is a test exactly to show that in case of failure, just one arm can nonetheless keep the set parameters. And in the graph, in the diagram on the left, you can see the curves, the lines for the preset parameters. In this case, the positive pressure is stable for every breath. In the following video, can you please start the video? we've got a volume control function. So for each volume increase, you've got a constant pressure increase in the ventilator. Now you can't probably see it good well in the diagram, but we are developing it further. And there are other controls as well, such as, for instance, the triggering for breaths, which will be used for assisted ventilation. But let me go back to my presentation. Where are you at now? How long will it take for you to finish the project? Well, the prototype is working pretty good. We are implementing all of the necessary tests, for instance, electromagnetic interference problems for the devices and components, because these tests are required by the law, by the regulation. And this is a question I would have answered later on, because this is one of the greatest challenges we have to tackle right now. That's to say, certification, because certification needs several tests, it requires several tests. But the timing is not that suitable for the emergency situation we're experiencing right now. Of course, we need a short time so we need to cut on red tape, of course, to accelerate some processes to get the certification. Yes, in the UK it happened, for instance, that the red tape was accelerated, but this is not the case for Italy right now. No acceleration, no speeding up of times is planned for now. That's the situation. Hopefully something will change. Thank you very much, Francesca, for your project, and congratulations. Good luck. Yes, I'm going to give you all my details in case someone would like to contribute or would like to get more information. These are our contact details. Thank you very much. Yes, we're going to disseminate and share your information with everybody.